Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today we will learn about my favorite privacy settings in Windows 10 and how to do it. So let's get started now. We will learn the changes that can be made in Windows 10 privacy settings and of course how to do it. The first things we need to do is here on the taskbar, just click on the start button. Once this opens, go to settings here to access the setting menu. Or we can close this because I will show you a better way and a faster one. Simply select on your keyboard the window and the I key together. You see, it's a much faster way to access the setting menu. Once there, locate and select the privacy icon. Once this opens, it will be in the General tab. As you can see on your left pane here with the blue mark that lets you know where you are at in the menu. In here, you can select what to toggle on or off. It is up to you. If you wish to know what are those settings, leave me a comment down below, and if there is enough request, I might do a detailed video on that. Now scroll down as there is more to see and go to background apps. Here you need to go through the list and deselect or select what's needed or what you are comfortable with. Simply know that if you turn all the application off by toggling off this dial here, you can still launch the apps. It might simply take a little longer for them to start, depending on your system. But on the plus side, it will save you battery life for those of you that use a laptop and maybe some RAM resources too. I'll show you that if I toggle all of them off, and let's say I select the Arduino IDE to start like so, it still launches normally, you see? And finally, the last tip is for the storage sense. To locate the feature, simply type the word sense in the search box situated on the top left here under the home button. Select storage settings from the drop-down list here. You don't need any third-party utilities, plus you can clean or schedule any task for your computer. Simply set up the cleaning ones and you don't have to clean your computer manually. To do so, you need to toggle on the switch here or off if you don't want it. Note that after this, there is just a few more steps to configure here. So just under that switch, you can see and click on this Configure Storage Sense or Run It Now. Once you selected this, a new window will pop up open. If the box under Run Storage Sense is grayed out, you just need to toggle on the switch here. Once this is done, you can now select how often you wish the program to run. For my case, I noticed that every month it's good enough, so I do recommend it to you. Now, know, however, that the default will be set to run only during low free disk space. So every month, the storage sense will automatically run and delete all the temporary unnecessary files and junk settings from your computer. But if you do not want the file to be deleted, then untick the box situated under the temporary files. Here, you can also select which are the files to be deleted in this section. And to do that, you need to click on the arrow here. You can see and select what suits your needs best. Be careful under here as there is a drop-down list to choose from. The first one is for the recycle bin. As for the second one, is for your downloaded files. And those are situated in the downloaded folder. So if you select either one and you set up your storage sense, those will be deleted. And for our last option, you can find it here under free up space. You have a button that you can click, which is clear now. But before selecting this, it is wise to double check your settings first, and then you're good to go. We can close this and do your stuff. Great, you made it so far. You can now let me know in the comment down below if this was helpful to you. That is it for today. And just to let you know, I started a Patreon where you can support me for future video, may you wish so. And again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like if you want to. Subscribe, you may as well. Or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to improve for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!